Hasselblad X2D 100C just got better. Hasselblad cameras have always been about quality. But let's be honest, shooting in low light photography with the X2D 100C, you have probably noticed noise creeping, and especially when pushing the ISO or recovery shadows in the pose. For a camera that delivers breathtaking 100 megapixel images, this was really frustrating. Until now. Introducing Hasselblad Natural Noise Reductions, a game-changing AI-powered noise reduction tool designed to fix the noise issue in low-light conditions. This isn't just about noise reduction tool. This Hasselblad Natural Noise Reduction use AI processing to clean up images while preserving details. That means you get cleaner images with this weird over smooth plastic look that many noise reduction tools create. Here is why this update is a big deal. Unlike traditional noise reductions in photography, the Hasselblad Natural Noise Reduction gives you two modes, purity and details. Look at that image that I took in a low light. And without Hasselblad Natural Noise Reduction, I would not be able to recover this image the way it is, especially the shadows. Look at them side by side. Purity modes for ultra clean images with minimal noise, perfect for night landscape or cityscape. Detail modes balances noise reduction with maximum texture retention. That is great for portrait and street photographers. With the Hasselblad Natural Noise Reduction, the X2D 100C is now even a more powerful medium format camera, and especially for photographers who shoot in low light situations. Check this out. Same photo, same ISO setting, but look at the difference in noise and clarity. This is Hasselblad AI-powered noise reduction in action. And what's even more impressive is that the HNNR work even in a high ISO images that have been pushed in a pose by over 5 stops. That means Hasselblad photographers now have more flexibility in editing and exposure recovery. So who is this for? If you shoot night photography, cityscapes, fine art, or cinematic portrait, you'll love this update. The Hasselblad X2D 100C already delivers stunning medium format quality, but now it can compete even better in low light photography. So, is the Hasselblad Natural Noise Reduction a game changer? For Hasselblad users, absolutely. It brings the kind of AI power noise reduction you expect from high-end photography software. But now it's baked directly into your workflow. Have you used it? Let me know in the comment box below. What do you think? Right? Should Hasselblad bring this update to older models like the X1D or the H6D? Let me know in the comment below. You may watch this video how the latest firmware has transformed the Hasselblad X2D to a beast of a camera. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and help me reach 3,000 subscribers. And turn on the notifications for more Hasselblad updates and also camera deep dive